So we need to start off by removing the old doorbell. As you can see, this doorbell is sitting sideways. Our doorbell will be upright. So we're going to remove the screws first. Once the screws are removed, you will take the leads off of the back of the doorbell. Try to make these as straight as possible. There's a double-sided piece. You'll remove the self-adhesive, slide it over the wires, center it over the hole. Make sure that it's straight. Perfect. Next, we'll take the leads that come in the package with the morettes. We're going to attach them onto the leads. Twist them around. And once they're twisted, you'll place a moret over top of the wire. Now, we're going to drill out the spot where we're going to mount the holes. You can take off the piece. We'll take the plugs out of the package. Insert them into your spot where you drilled your holes. Next, you need to choose the plate. This is for flat mounting. If you're going to angle the plate, you'll need to use this as well as this. There is an up arrow. It points the way that the camera needs to be placed onto the platform. So this needs to be facing up. If you're going to use the plate, there are little guide holes. They line up with the holes on the flat plate. Pick your angle, mount the plate on it. Once you have placed the plate together, you'll feed the wires through the hole and put it up against the wall. Line your holes up, and you're going to insert screws into these spots. So next, you need to take your screws and decide which length you need. In this case, we're going to use the long ones. Going to line up the device. You're going to place your screw into the hole. You're going to place your second screw into the other hole. You'll tighten those screws. Pro tip: use a level to level the device to the proper spot. And then tighten your screws down completely. Next, remove the cover off of the camera. Using your screwdriver, loosen the screws. Place the leads onto the screws. It helps guide the wires in if you slightly bend the wire that's attached so that they can slide into the thing. At the very bottom, there's a lip that needs to go on first. And then you push this back while you push the wires into the holes. And finally click it at the top. It should be secure on there. The lights on the unit will turn on when it's plugged in properly.
Please connect the device to the network with the app.
The unit announces when you're ready to add the camera onto the app.